Hello YouTubers. Today we have this 32-inch diehl ceiling fan motor. Got it off eBay. Unfortunately, it is just the motor. One of the main reasons I'm making this video is trying to reach out to more people. Hopefully I can find parts for the fan. It's missing blades and a canopy. I can find a canopy, that's no problem. The blades are the issue. Blades are one solid piece. It's a blade and the iron. It's one piece of stamped aluminum. I just want to do a quick video. We're going to show it running. Turn the freshen air off, because this does make quite a unique sound to start up. If it does start up, because it does have an issue with locking. It hasn't cleaned up that well, so let's try and start it. Nope, you can see there it locked up. I think that's probably dirty. I like that up to speed. Inrush current's about 1 amp. It does drop down to 0.93. Seems to run fine. Here's our top view. Focus on it. There we go. It might also be that bearing, you can hear it down there. Like I said, I'm probably going to take this motor apart and get it cleaned up, make sure it's working fully. It does work. It seems like it does run fine, just it's starting occasionally, it'll get locked up. But it's not the biggest issue. Let's let it stop and we'll try and start it again from the top. There we go. Nope. And like I say, it's not there. It's like every quarter turn it'll do it. So you just there's I gotta be between those. This one. So it's a little bit of TLC, but overall it works just fine.